Good morning, students. In last class we have done about the type of unit cell. You have got mainly 7 types of unit cell, which are called 7 crystal system based on their edge length and based on their angles between the edges. And these seven crystal systems may be 2 types depending on the position of particle. One is called primitive and one is called non-primitive unit cell. So what is the difference between primitive and non-primitive unit cell? You have got, suppose this is one of the unit cell. Suppose this is one of the unit cell. In this unit cell, if the particles are present only at the corners, there are 8 corners. If the particles are present only at the corners, then it is said to be the primitive unit cell. I mean, based on the position where the particles are present, based on it you can classify the unit cell into 2 types. One is called primitive, one is called non-primitive. If the particles are present only at the corners, then the unit cell is said to be the primitive unit cell or simple unit cell. But if the particles are present not only at the corners but also in some other positions, then it is called non-primitive unit cell. Remember, particles are always present in corner, but besides this corner they may be present in other position also, then it is said to be non-primitive unit cell. For example, as you know, there are 6 faces in a cube. If all the center of the face contain one particle like this, if every faces contain one particle, then this type of unit cell is called face-centered unit cell. I mean, this is one example of non-primitive unit cell because the particles are present not only at the corners but also in some other special positions. This is called face-centered unit cell when the particles are present at the corners and at the center of each faces. Similarly, when the particles are present at the corners and at the center of the cube contain one particle, then it is called body-centered unit cell. This is also one example of non-primitive unit cell. I mean, when the particles are present at the corners and at the center of the cube, then it is called body-centered unit cell. Another non-primitive unit cell, when the particles are present at the corners and 2 alternate face contain 2 particle, then two opposite face contain 2 particle, then it is called end-centered unit cell. This is one example of non-primitive unit cell. So there are 3 types of non-primitive unit cell, maybe face-centered unit cell, maybe body-centered unit cell, maybe end-centered unit cell. Now, based on this type of the unit cell, you can classify the lattices. As you have got, there are 7 crystal systems, 7 types of unit cell you will get, maybe cubic, maybe trigonal, maybe orthorhombic, maybe monoclinic, like that you will get 7 types, and every 7 crystal system may be primitive, may be non-primitive. So based on that you will get the types of lattices. But always you remember, every crystal system, every 7 crystal system cannot produce all kind of primitive and non-primitive unit cell. That is why you will get little number of lattices. For example, if you want to know about types of lattices, cubic, if your unit cell is cubic, it can form simple, primitive, the particles may be present at the corners. It can form face-centered, and it can form body-centered also, but it cannot form end-centered because end-centered cubic is unstable, and that's why it produces only simple face-centered and body-centered. So if your unit cell is cubic and if the particles are present only at the corners, then it is called simple cubic unit cell, and the lattice is said to be simple cubic lattice. Similarly, if your unit cell is cube and if the particles are present at the corners and at the center of each faces, then it is called face-centered cubic unit cell, and the lattice is said to be face-centered cubic lattice. Similarly, you will get body-centered cubic lattice, but you don't get end-centered cubic lattice because it is unstable. So how many types of lattice you have got? From cubic you have got 3 types of lattices. One is called simple cubic lattice, primitive cubic lattice. One is face-centered cubic lattice, and one is body-centered cubic lattice. Similarly, second one is tetragonal among your 7 crystal system. Tetragonal can form only 2 types of lattices. One is simple tetragonal lattice and one is body centered tetragonal lattice. It cannot form face centered and end centered. So tetragonal form two kind of lattice. One is simple tetragonal lattice and one is body centered tetragonal lattice. Number 3, orthorhombic. Orthorhombic can form all types of your lattices. Only orthorhombic can form. It can form simple orthorhombic lattice. It can form face centered orthorhombic lattice. It can form body centered orthorhombic lattice. It can form end centered orthorhombic lattice also. I mean, it can form all kind of lattices. Only orthorhombic can form all kind of unit cells. Monoclinic can form only two, and this is simple and end centered. Only two types of lattice you will get from monoclinic: simple monoclinic lattice and end centered monoclinic lattice. Only two types you will get. Triclinic, it can form only one type of lattice, that is simple. Then rhombohedral also can form only one type of lattice, that is simple. I mean simple rhombohedral lattice. And the hexagonal, last one, hexagonal also can form simple. I mean simple hexagonal lattice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 types of unit cell can produce this type of lattices. Maybe simple cubic lattice, maybe face centered cubic lattice, maybe body centered cubic lattice, simple tetragonal lattice, body centered tetragonal lattice. I mean every 7 crystal system cannot produce all kind of unit cell. Only orthorhombic can produce all kind of unit cell. Other 7 crystal system cannot produce all kind of unit cell. So based on this, how many types of lattice you have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have got 15, you should get 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Why it goes to 15? From cubic, you will get simple, face centered and body centered, 3. Tetragonal produce simple and body centered, 2. Simple, face centered, body centered, end centered. This one produce simple and end centered, and other 3 produce simple. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 14 lattices you will get, and these 14 types of lattices, you have got 14 types, and these 14 types lattices are also called Bravais lattice. Remember this. These are also called Bravais lattices. So these are the types of lattices you have. Actually, you can classify the lattice based on the type of the unit cell. As you have got, there are mainly 7 types of unit cells which are called 7 crystal systems: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, rhombohedral and hexagonal. And based on the position of the particle, you can classify unit cell into 2 types: primitive or simple and non-primitive. Primitive means those unit cell in which the particles are present only at the corners, and non-primitive means those unit cell in which the particles are present not only at the corners but also in some other special positions of the unit cell are called non-primitive unit cell. So there are 3 non-primitive unit cell: face centered, body centered and end centered based on their position. Now this 7 crystal system can produce primitive and it can produce non-primitive also. Based on that, you will get 14 types of lattices. Actually, every crystal system do not produce all kind of primitive and non-primitive unit cell. So based on that, you will get 14 types of lattices, and these lattices are called Bravais lattices. So there are 14 types of lattice which are called Bravais lattice. So this is about the type of lattice. So you remember triclinic, rhombohedral, hexagonal, they form only the primitive unit cell. I mean their particles are present only at the corners. Other non-primitive unit cell, for this type of unit cell, these are unstable, that is why they cannot form other kind of non-primitive unit cell. But only one of the unit cell, which is orthorhombic can form all kind of primitive and non-primitive unit cell. I mean it can form simple body centered, face centered, also the end centered. Other cannot produce all kind of 4 lattices. Thank you.